Hello everyone, I'm TST Trader from Chartrat.com. Today is Saturday, October 2nd, 2010, and we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here, and as you can see, we have a much longer term chart than normal. The S&P and overall in the markets did not change from my analysis yesterday. It's just continuing to chop sideways. Nothing really has changed, so I thought I'd take advantage of today to take a look at the really long-term picture. So we've got a quarterly chart going back to, pull this up, May 25th, 1915. So data going way back. And you can see here, we initially, when the Dow first started back here, kind of chopped around, then we surged, and then we formed this symmetrical triangle here. We broke out from this upper resistance level here, and surged pretty much from the early 1940s all the way up through just about the late 1960s. Then we started to consolidate sideways, and moved sideways from, with an occasional dip there, from the late 60s into the early 80s. Then we broke out from there and surged at an absurd rate. Now you can see that we had this significant resistance line here. It's this one is yellow now. Connected as support here, resistance, resistance. And then we broke through there, so that was extremely bullish. We kept surging upward, and then we broke back down below it, above it, below it, and now we're pulling back from that breakdown. We've got a big broadening top here, and the target for the breakdown from there, and some would call this a diamond top. Either way, it's a topping pattern for sure, and we are definitely below this huge multi-century resistance point, and we're also coming down here. Another key resistance point that's a little bit shorter, relatively speaking, term on the S&P. I'll show you in a minute. So the support line for this support here is this one we're highlighting now in yellow. Support here, support, and then we totally got away from it. Look at the 200 quarter moving average here. That's the light blue line. We are so far high above that. We are definitely very bearish on the long-term charts here. So my target would be coming down to this lower red line, which right now is trading at $509.04. That would be roughly a 50% decrease in the value of the Dow. That's a scary thought. Now, if we go to the, excuse me, just a second here, SP 500, S&P 500 there. I can show you that other line I was talking about. You can see it acted as this one here. You know what? I'm going to jump into a monthly chart. It acted as it's this yellow one here. Well, it was yellow, now it's red again. Acted as resistance here at the key top in late 07. Top again back here, right here, in May. Came down, and now we're hitting up against it again. So not a time that you really want to be long the market in a longer term basis. And then, of course, we're also coming into resistance here at this this level here, and then in a minute we'll come up to this level here and this one. Sorry, the initial level I showed you is actually not support. I'm sorry, got mixed up there. But scary thoughts on the long-term charts. However, we are finding support at the 200-month moving average here coming in, just noting. Well, that's all for today. I'm TST Trader from Chartrat.com. Good luck and happy trading.